No, sir. No, sir. If you can't play, you rather pick your ball up and you walk through on the course, because that's why my course is slow. You've got a handicap. Can you play golf?
I can, yes, I certainly can.
But that's embarrassing the way you play, because I'm sitting with problems with ladies that don't listen and customers like yourself coming here at a professional golf course that's Serengeti, and then you're embarrassing me and the other customers.
Okay.
You mustn't take an invitation. So do you know how much money that this company, I think it's a cash and carry,
yeah.
how much money they pay?
They invited me to
and
play.
then people like you come
I'm
here
a customer
and
of
you
theirs.
embarrass
I'm a customer
people.
of theirs. They invited me to play.
But you agree, you embarrass a
No,
company.
I don't agree with that.
But they pay a lot of money to host a golf day, and then people like you come here and you make an absolute joke about it. An absolute joke. Look at that ball, it's not even close on the fairway. You shouldn't be here.
Necessary talking to the people like this in front of other people.
Yeah, but I'm a bit upset, sir. You know, you must understand I'm the course marshal. I'm a bit upset
Yes, but
because...
I'm asking you something as well. As the course marshal, I'll just ask you,
Yeah.
Saki.
But you guys are running late now. Who's now next year?
Us up, Saki. Kyk wie hou ons op.
But it's people like this that keep you up, sir. You're probably embarrassed about this man. Are you embarrassed? I'm sure you're embarrassed. Do you know him? Do you know him?
Ja, ek ken hom. Ek sal 'n complaint by die dinges gee. Course marshal of nie. Course marshal of nie, 'n complaint hier kom.
No, neither have I.
Ek hoop dat dryf net hier nie in die landstraat.
You see, that's the way you should play. Right up in front there.
Professionals, right.
I mean, look at the thing you use in any place. Look at this. You must use one of these big things. That's why you can't play. It's because of that.
Los ons golf kyk met. Ons speel op ons eie dankie.
Yeah, that's not bad. That's not bad. Sir, but your socks, look at your socks. Your socks should be here on your ankles. Not allowed to have socks in your shoes. Your clothing is not right. Your attire. I'm not happy with that also.
Jy moet jou kliënte praat, is ook nie reg.
No, but look at the way you dress. You look like you're going to go to the beach with and you're going to jog. It's not the way you play golf. Look at this. No, but look at this here. I mean,
Ek sou se gaan vat.
no, but look at this. You're not allowed to play like this. You're not allowed to play like this. But do you've got contacts here at the club? Do you know people here? I don't want you to report me because I've got a complaint last week against my name.
Ek gaan jou report, Sakkie.
I will
Laat ek jou
I apologize
Jy
for...
sal report jy report jou nou.
No, please don't do that, sir. Please, because I've got a
I don't give a
complaint.
shit, then what you fucking attitude?
Okay, no, I apologize then for that.
Useless.
Can I buy you guys something? A free round.
I don't from you.
Free
I
round.
want from you.
No, really, it's okay for me. If you can play any way you like.
Exactly.
Yeah, I don't. It's fine. It's fine.
I don't give a shit.
Nou, jy's besig om kak te maak en jy kan handle nie. Ek is nie van hier nie. Moenie met my nie. Jy gaan 'n moerse complaint hê.
So do you know who's my family? Do you know my family?
Oor jou familie
Do you
nie.
know my family here?
Mense praat nie.
My family. I've got a lot of clout in this golf club,
Dis
sir.
reg.
Lot of clout.
Groot kak maak nou. Sakkie van Sail. Ek gaan so paragraaf
No.
skryf.
No, please don't do that,
Ek gaan
sir.
hom tik.
Please
Jy het
don't do
verkeerde
that.
ou se gat
No,
gekrap.
no, I apologize
Shut
for
up,
that.
Bible T.
Okay,
Moenie met
no,
my
I'll
moenie
just-
my fucking
No, I'll
vry.
keep quiet, sir. I'll
Ja.
keep quiet.
Jou nie pad kry.
No, sir, don't talk like this now because I'm just trying to do my
Moenie met
work.
my fucking nie.
I'm just trying to do my work.
Ja, maar jy doen dit in 'n professionele werk. Dink jy jy's professioneel?
No.
Dink jy is professioneel wat
No,
jy
it's
nou
true.
doen?
No, maybe I must look at the way that I'm talking
so
to.
'n fucking brief skryf wat ek gaan tik
Ja.
en ons almal sal jy hom vir my teken? Sal jy hom vir my teken?
No, sir, please don't do that because
Hulle almal gaan hom vir my sign. Ons is fucking 5 wat gaan
I'll
sign.
tell you what I'll do, sir.
Hy
I'll give you free round of golf.
Ag,
A membership card. My brother knows someone at the club.
Ek wil gaan speel.
Okay. Is jy al uitgevang, meneer? You've been caught in your life?
As jy my nou
If you see my camera there, jy's op my nuwe show. Jy's op my show. Yes. Smile nie dan.
Ek kom nie hulle fucking iets aan. Hey, wie is die moes?
Wat is jou naam?
Ek hulle arme kopbaan.
Ek het lanklaas ouens so kwaad gesien in my lewe, hoor. Check hierdie bicep.
Nee, ons moet nog nou rond donor. Ja.
Is jy ooit gevang?
Ja, dis nie. Volgende keer as ek weer kom duik ek daai fucking hokkie stukke.
Ek dink as jy lank drop.
Dat ons sy
Wat high five.